Benefit 1 is its ability to support respiratory health. Pine needle essential oil is known for its expectorant properties, which can help clear mucus and phlegm from the respiratory tract. This makes it useful for alleviating congestion and providing relief from coughs and colds. It may also help reduce inflammation in the respiratory system, making it easier to breathe and promoting overall lung health. Benefit 2 is its potential to boost mood and alleviate stress. The invigorating aroma of pine needle essential oil can stimulate the mind and promote feelings of positivity and energy, and its scent may help reduce feelings of anxiety and depression, supporting emotional well-being. By creating a more relaxed state, it can enhance mental clarity and focus. Benefit 3 is its use in promoting skin health. Pine needle essential oil possesses antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties that make it beneficial for treating various skin conditions. It can help soothe itchy, irritated skin and may aid in the healing of cuts, burns, and minor infections. Its antioxidant properties also help protect the skin from free radical damage, keeping it looking youthful and vibrant. Benefit 4 is its effectiveness as a natural pain reliever. The oil contains analgesic properties that can help alleviate muscular and joint pain. It's commonly used in massage therapy to soothe sore muscles and reduce the symptoms of conditions such as arthritis and rheumatism. By improving blood circulation, it can also help facilitate faster recovery from injuries. Benefit 5 is its ability to improve immune system function. Pine needle essential oil is rich in antioxidants and compounds that may bolster the body's defenses against infections and diseases. Regular use can help ward off common illnesses and keep the immune system functioning optimally. Its antimicrobial properties also contribute to a healthier environment, reducing the spread of germs. Benefit 6 is its effectiveness in boosting energy levels. The refreshing scent of pine needle essential oil is known to invigorate the senses and promote mental clarity. It can help fend off feelings of fatigue, making it an excellent choice for those looking to maintain high energy levels throughout the day. This makes it particularly useful during times of heavy physical or mental exertion. Benefit 7 is its property as a natural deodorizer. Pine needle essential oil has a clean, refreshing aroma that can neutralize unpleasant odors in the home and office. As a natural air freshener, it not only masks smells, but it can also eliminate bacteria and other microorganisms that contribute to bad odors. Its use as a cleaner and deodorizer can lead to a fresher and more inviting living space. Benefit 8 is its potential in supporting cardiovascular health. The oil may help improve blood circulation and reduce inflammation, which can be beneficial for heart health. By keeping the arteries clear and promoting good blood flow, pine needle essential oil may support a healthy cardiovascular system. Regular use can be part of a holistic approach to maintaining a healthy heart. Benefit 9 is its assistance in improving cognitive function. The stimulating nature of pine needle essential oil may help enhance concentration and cognitive performance. Its use is associated with increased alertness and a boost in mental clarity, which can be beneficial for tasks requiring sustained attention. This makes it useful for students, professionals, and anyone needing a mental edge. Benefit 10 is its role in promoting deep and restful sleep. Despite its stimulating properties, pine needle essential oil can help provide calm and relaxation, which are crucial for good sleep. When used in aromatherapy or if used in the bedroom, it can create a soothing environment conducive to falling asleep faster and staying asleep longer. This can lead to improved overall health and well-being, as quality sleep is crucial for recovery and repair. Benefit 11 is its utility in natural cleaning solutions. Pine needle essential oil has strong antibacterial and antifungal properties that make it an excellent ingredient in homemade cleaning products. It can effectively sanitize surfaces, kill harmful microbes, and leave a pleasant forest-like scent. This natural alternative to chemical cleaners can help maintain a hygienic living environment while reducing exposure to synthetic substances